Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make lemonade scones. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of self-rising flour, 100 grams of very cold butter, and 1 cup of lemonade. Make sure that butter is chilled and cut into small cubes. This is key for a light, fluffy scone. We'll also use a tiny pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get mixing. Sift your 2 cups of self-rising flour and that pinch of salt into a spacious bowl. Next, take your cold, cubed butter and gently rub it into the flour using just your fingertips. You want the mixture to look like fine breadcrumbs, ensuring the butter is evenly distributed. Then, slowly pour in the 1 cup of lemonade, mixing with a flat-bladed knife until a soft, shaggy dough comes together. Avoid overworking the dough for tender scones. Beyond performance, practicality is a key differentiator. The BRZ, being a sports coupe, has a smaller cabin with a 2+2 seating layout, meaning the rear seats are best for occasional use or extra storage. Its trunk offers about 6 cubic feet of space. The GTI, however, excels in practicality as a 5-door hatchback, comfortably seating 5 and providing nearly 20 cubic feet of cargo space, expanding significantly with the rear seats folded. It also generally offers slightly better fuel economy. Almost there, carefully transfer your cut scones onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper, leaving a little space between each. Pop them into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are golden brown and well risen. The aroma will be incredible. Once baked, let them cool slightly on a wire rack. Serve these warm, fluffy lemonade scones with your favorite jam and a generous dollop of fresh cream for an absolutely delightful experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.